Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this look, and if you've seen this video today, this is actually my birthday, so I got all dolled up for my quarantine birthday. So I'm gonna tell you what I used to achieve this look. The hair that I use is linked down in the description box. It is from Amazon and it's pretty cheap. I got 6 packs of hair and I got some accessories, which are these gold things. I think I got 4 of them in there, 3 gold and 1 silver. I bought this at Family Dollar for like $2 for 6 of them. So this was a really cheap hairstyle and I really love it, and based on the feedback that I'm getting, other persons love it as well. Please people, ensure that you like, share, comment and subscribe, and please ensure that you watch the video to the end. So I'm starting off with my hair part into small sections. This is the packaging. It comes with 6 packs of hair. It comes with 2 hair clips, accessories, as well as the hair needle. So basically we're gonna push the needle through the root of the hair and then add some of that hair to it that is already stretched, right? Ensure that the 2 ends are at the same length, and then you're gonna add another piece of hair that you're gonna use to wrap. Ensure that both hairs are stretched. I'm gonna show you how to stretch the hair. So you just add the hair and then you're not gonna pull it all the way through, and then you're gonna start to wrap all the way down to the end. Watch me, I bite my lip. You're gonna wrap all the way down to the end, and then there's a technique to do it and you don't need glue. So wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap. Then you're gonna bend the hair upwards and then continue to wrap upwards. So that's how you secure your ends. There you go. There you go. And that's just it. Pretty simple, right? People, y'all see the growth of my hair, like, oh my god. So next I'm gonna show you a couple more times, so please enjoy the rest of the video. So this is actually how you stretch the hair, and sometimes you can actually just pull on it. So you're gonna put your hook through the root of the hair, add the hair, ensure that they're the same length, and then you're gonna add a next piece of hair, pull it through, leave a little small piece at the side, then you start wrapping downwards. You're gonna wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap, and then you know what to do when you get to the end, baby girl. Please excuse my parting, people. In the end, it doesn't really matter. So this is another example of how to do the ends of the hair. Bend the hair upwards and just keep going until it stops, and that's all you need to do. If you want to reinforce with some glue, you can do so if you wish. So y'all know I have to throw in a little promo. So basically I want to tell y'all about my hair product, right? So when I just started doing hair tutorials on YouTube, I was a bit scared to show like my natural hair and the state that it was in. The front of my hair was really short, the hair was uneven, and I decided to cut it, and I restarted my hair journey doing everything that I am supposed to do: moisturizing, deep conditioning. So I created a product, and thanks be to God, Made by Brie is sold out. All of the products were sold on my first attempt, and I'm still at the drawing board trying to make this product 100% better for you guys. And just head over Instagram, follow me, show me some support, and just wait for the new products. Here's an example of how my hair looked before and after the product, and this is the actual product. That's how it looks. You know, still gonna, you know, fix it up and so forth. So some persons always ask me how you get the back of your hair, how do you get the middle? People, it takes time and it takes a bit of technique to actually get it. So don't be hard on yourself if you can't get it the first time. Just try and try and try and try until you get it, right? I really hope y'all watch all of my Vlogmas videos, and if you have not watched Vlogmas, please ensure that you go to my channel, go to playlist and select Vlogmas 2020 for all those bomb videos. I did pranks, I did everything I could do to ensure that y'all had something to watch during the holidays. So please ensure that you show your girl some love and support over there. Thank you so much, guys. Continue watching. And please ensure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please share the video with a friend that wants to know how to do these type of locks, people. Things are getting rough. Y'all need to learn how to do your hair yourselves, and this is a very cheap hairstyle. I paid a little bit under $20 for this hairstyle. Trust me, people. It was very cheap, and y'all see me skip from wig to wig. Like, this is it. This is gonna keep my hair for a while. Like, it's gonna keep it for like 3 weeks, and then I'm gonna find something else to do with it. Only protective styles from now on. That's what I'm gonna try to do, because your girl needs to grow that hair. Yes. guys, this is the finished product. My battery actually died, so I couldn't get to show you like how I, accessorize. But I just had to delete the hair tie and the accessories, and I added some edge control. But I'm really loving the look. Comment down below and let me know how you think I did. Ensure that you subscribe. Bye.